Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss STAT Medical 2020 question paper which was held on 27th August 2020. I have A series. I have already uploaded GK section. You can go in the playlist and check your answers from there. Now I will discuss biology section. So the first question is, father of plant physiology: A. Stephen Hales, B. Robert Koch, C. Aristotle, and D. G.J. Mendel. Correct option is A. Stephen Hales. Plants grow in low light intensities are called: A. Heliophytes, B. Long day plants, C. Shade tolerant, and D. Day neutral plants. Its correct option is shade tolerant. C will be the correct option. Which of the following are largest decomposers of forest? A. Lion, B. Molds and mushrooms, C. Yeast, and D. None of the above. Correct option is B. Molds and mushroom. Which part of poppy plant yields opium? A. Latex from unripe capsule will be the correct option. The line which lies between 55° to 60° latitude cannot grow trees beyond it is called: A. Terai, B. Ecotome, C. Timberline, and D. Vole line. Its correct option has C. Timberline. The 10% law is related to: A. Mendelian genetics, B. Non-Mendelian genetics, C. Energy transfer from lower trophic level to higher trophic level, D. Energy consumption during photosynthesis in C4 plants. इसका correct option है C. Energy transfer from lower trophic level to higher trophic level. Next question is, Taxol, that is used as an anti-cancer drug, is extracted from bark of which of the following plants? So इसका correct option है Taxa baccata. C will be the correct option. Which of the following countries has the highest biodiversity? A. Brazil, B. South Africa, C. Russia, and D. India. Correct option is A. Brazil. The organization which publishes the red list of species is Indian Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. So IUCN will be the correct option, option A. Velamen, a spongy tissue on roots, is characteristics of which roots? A. Floating roots, B. Assimilatory roots, C. Parasitic roots, and D. Epiphytic roots. Correct option is D. Epiphytic roots. Phylloclade is modification of A. Stem will be the correct option. Select the correct match. इसका correct option है B. Petunia solanaceae. Placenta and pericarp are both edible portions in C. Tomato will be the correct option. Next is, osmophores secrete. Perfume is the correct option, which is not given in option. So here D. None of these will be the correct option. Next is, osmotic pressure of pure water is A. 0 is the correct option. What is hydroponics? It is solution containing all nutrients. B will be the correct option. Cyclic phosphorylation synthesizes A. Only ATP will be the correct option. Genus represents, its correct option is C. Group of closely related species of plant or animals. Smallest animal virus is, so इसका correct option है polio virus, which is not given in the option. इसके लिए मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ स्टूडेंट. जिन क्वेश्चन में मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ, I will upload their answers later in the comment section. Next question, what is common between parrot, platypus, and kangaroo? A. Oviparity, B. Homeothermy, C. Toothless jaws, and D. Functional post-anal tail. So इसका correct option है B. Homeothermy. Next is, venom of cobra attacks. It attacks nervous system. C will be the correct option. A connective tissue sheath covering a muscle fiber is called A. Endomysium, B. Perimysium, C. Epimysium, and D. None of above. Correct option is B. Perimysium. Next is forest of Nephridia are. Its correct option is integumentary nephridia. B will be the correct option. Who proposed law of constant chromosome number? So इस क्वेश्चन में भी मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ. I will upload its answer later in the comment section. What is formula of chlorophyll A? इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है D. C55H72O5N4Mg. Dextrocardia means. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है A. Heart present on the right side of a man. Kidney receive about dash of blood per minute. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है 1200 milliliter of blood. Number of bones in human skull is 29. D will be the correct option. Pectin, a comb-like structure, is found in the eye of birds. C will be the correct option. Which hormone is responsible for milk ejection after the birth of baby? So बहुत सारे बच्चे इसमें कंफ्यूज थे. प्रोलैक्टिन इसका आंसर नहीं है. प्रोलैक्टिन जो होता है इट रेगुलेट्स द ग्रोथ ऑफ द मैमरी ग्लैंड्स एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिल्क इन देम. और जो ऑक्सीटॉक्सिन होता है ये मिल्क एजेक्शन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो गिवन इन पेज नंबर 132 इन योर NCERT. सो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है C, ऑक्सीटॉक्सिन. नेक्स्ट इज ओरल कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्स prevent pregnancy by. C. Preventing ovulation is the correct option. The cell-mediated immunity inside the human body is carried out by T lymphocytes. A will be the correct option. WAM contains. C. Symbiotic fungi will be the correct option. Crocodile and bird association in an example of symbiosis. A will be the correct option. Sahajivita. The green leaves of plant absorb which of the following in the visible spectrum? इसका correct option है B, blue and red light. For how many years the yeast Saccharomyces can be in dry state? Its correct option is B, 2 years. Name the hormone that control the metamorphosis in frog. इसका correct option है C, thyroxine. Which of the following is a bird flu virus which is also known as avian flu virus? H5N1 is the correct option. Option A. Murrah is a breed of which of the following? So इसका correct option है B, buffalo. By weight, what is percentage of blood in human body? Its correct option is C, 7%. Which organ is known as graveyard of RBCs? Spleen will be the correct option. Approximately how many nephrons are present in human body? So millions of nephrons are present. So इसका correct option होगा हमारा A, 10 lakh. The bacteria for Japanese fever affect which organ of body? A, brain will be the correct option. What is pinus? A, tree. The damaged ozone layer is situated in stratosphere. C will be the correct option. The term ecosystem was introduced by A.G. Tansley. B will be the correct option. The plant absorbs nitrogen in which form? It is absorbed in nitrate. A will be the correct option. Of the following is correct match for these and their causative agent. Its correct option is typhoid. और इसका causative agent है Salmonella typhi. So C will be the correct option. If a man from sea coast goes to a high mountain peak, then his breathing will increase. A will be the correct option. Translocation of carbohydrates occurs as sucrose. D will be the correct option. During muscle contraction, length of A band remains unchanged. C will be the correct option. Which pairs are the floating ribs in human body? 11th and 12th. C will be the correct option. Prenatal defects in the fetus can be detected by amniocentesis. B will be the correct option. Pebrine is a disease of silkworm. B will be the correct option. Photochemical smoke doesn't contain carbon dioxide. D will be the correct option. The function of control of rate of heartbeat is controlled by which part of brain? Medulla oblongata. C will be the correct option. An area of the retina which doesn't have rods and cones are called blind spot. C will be the correct option. Next is pomology is the study of fruits. A will be the correct option. So students, बाकी जिनका आंसर मैंने नहीं दिया है, I will upload their answers later in the comment section. So thank you for watching my video. Keep supporting, keep motivating.